Hello students, in last lecture we have seen about Pythagoras theorem and Pythagorean triplet. We have also seen about 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree property and 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree property. In this lecture we are going to see the similarity and right angle triangle, means similarity relation in right angle triangle. We will see first the statement of theorem. The statement is, in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to original triangle and to each other. Here, triangle ABC, there is BD perpendicular to AC, means segment BD is altitude drawn on hypotenuse AC. Therefore, the triangle form are triangle ADB and triangle BDC. These two triangles are similar to original triangle, means triangle ABC, and also similar to each other means triangle ADB similar to triangle BDC. We will see now the proof of the theorem. Here, to write the proof, first we will write given. Here in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, means it is right angle triangle. Seg BD perpendicular hypotenuse AC, that is BD is the altitude drawn on hypotenuse, and point A, D, C are collinear. To prove, what is to prove here? First, triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. Second, triangle BDC similar triangle ABC, means ADB similar ABC or similar to original triangle. BDC or BCD, here triangle BDC or triangle BCD similar to triangle ABC. And third, these two triangles forms, means triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. To prove this, first we will compare triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Therefore, in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, here in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, ADB is new triangle form and ABC is original triangle. In these two triangles, we know A is common point, that is angle A is common angle. Therefore, in triangle ADB, angle DAB congruent angle BAC. Reason, common angle. Then angle ADB congruent angle ABC. Here angle ADB and angle ABC both are right angles or 90 degree. Therefore the reason is 90 degree. Two pairs of corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. We know if two angles or two pairs of angles are congruent, then two triangles are similar by a test. Give the statement. Number 1, we have proved the first statement, that is triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. Then to prove second, we will consider the second pair, that is in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Here in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, C is common point. Therefore angle BCD congruent angle ACB, angle BCD and angle ACB, reason is same as above, that is common angles. Also angle BDC congruent angle ABC. Here each angle is 90 degree. Therefore again triangle BDC similar triangle ABC, reason is same, AA test. Give the statement. Number 2, therefore from above statement 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. Why? Here ADB similar ABC and ABC similar BDC. Give the statement number 3. Therefore from all three, that is from 1, 2 and 3, triangle ADB similar triangle BDC and similar to original triangle ABC. This property we know transitivity property. By transitivity property, if one triangle similar to another triangle similar to third one, then all three triangles similar to each other. Here we have proved that if the altitude drawn on hypotenuse, then the triangle forms are similar to original triangle and also similar to each other. Next theorem is theorem of geometric mean. It is depend on the previous test, that is similarity. In right angle triangle we have seen that altitude drawn on hypotenuse divide triangle into two subtriangles and they are similar to each other. Here the statement is, in a right angle triangle the perpendicular drawn to the hypotenuse from a opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which hypotenuse is divided. We will see figure first. In triangle PQR, QS is the perpendicular segment on hypotenuse through the point opposite to it, that means right angle vertex. Then it divides PR into two segments, that is PS and SR, and this altitude or this perpendicular QS is the geometric mean of PS and SR. Means here, to prove this statement, first we will write given statement, that is, in right angle triangle PQR, in right angle triangle PQR, segment QS perpendicular hypotenuse PR. Then to prove, what is to prove here? QS is geometric mean of PS and SR, means QS square is equal to PS into SR, means square of the geometric mean is equal to multiplication of the remaining two terms, that is here PS and SR. We will see proof of the theorem. Given is, in right angle triangle PQR, segment QS perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Therefore QS is altitude drawn on hypotenuse. Therefore the triangles form, that is triangle QSR and triangle PSQ, here QSR and PSQ, that is triangle QSR similar triangle PSQ. What is reason behind it? We have already see the previous property, that is similarity of right angle triangle. Here two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. In triangle QSR, side QS is similar to side PS of triangle PSQ. Then the other proportional sides are SR is proportional with side SQ of triangle PSQ. corresponding sides of similar triangles. Therefore, QS and SQ are common segments. That means QS upon PS is equal to SR upon QS. Here only name is different. Therefore, if we cross multiply it, we will get QS square is equal to PS into SR. That is to prove us. Therefore, segment QS is geometric mean of segment PS and segment SR. Here QS square is equal to PS into SR. We will see the examples on these two theorems in next lecture. Thank you.